Hi, everybody. My name is Peter Lum, and I'm here with Jarrett Skeffington, and we're going to introduce you to the new Enphase IQ5P battery and the Enphase Energy System. Enphase's energy system has new components, the IQ System Controller 3, as well as the IQ Combiner 5 or 5C. So let's talk about the battery. The IQ Battery 5P is a 5 kilowatt hour energy storage unit able to deliver twice as much power per kilowatt hour as previous batteries. Equipped with IQ 8D battery microinverters, 6 of them provide the capability to deliver 3.84 kilowatts of power with a surge capability of 7.68 kilowatts for 3 seconds. So a very capable, high-powered battery. All of this is tied together using a wired control and communications mechanism, a wired interconnect that we'll talk about a little bit later. That's the IQ Battery 5P. So Jarrett, tell us a little bit about the IQ System Controller 3.
You bet. Supporting the 5P batteries, we now have the IQ System Controller 3. And there's 2 versions of the System Controller 3. There's the 3 and the 3G. So similar to what we have today, we have 3 inputs on the system controller. And so with the 3G, we add the integration of generator support. And that's where the 3G comes from. So the generator input has an interlock device that's there for its capability. So that's going to be one of the inputs. The second input is going to be for your PV. So that's going to be up to 64 amps continuous or 15.3 kilowatts of power. And then the other input is going to be for your storage. So this can support up to 4 5P batteries, up to 20 kilowatt hours of capacity. Or with the implementation of our PCS, our power control systems, we can extend that out up to 40 kilowatt hours of capacity for our batteries. For those customers that don't require generator support, the IQ System Controller 3 is going to be your best option. With the System Controller 3, you'll have 3 inputs. 2 of those inputs will now be utilized for the storage device. And for the storage inputs, you can have up to a total of 80 kilowatt hours of capacity, which is up to 16 IQ 5P batteries. That last input will be for your PV. Again, that's going to be up to 64 amps continuous PV or 15.3 kilowatts of power. The last thing to mention about the IQ System Controller 3 is the native wired interconnect between the multiple devices. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the IQ Combiner 5 and 5C. The Combiner 5 does not come with a cell modem, and the Combiner 5C does come with a cell modem. Now electrically, the Combiner 5 has all of the same characteristics as the Combiner 4 with the addition of the hardwire interface that connects all of the devices that are supporting the IQ 5P battery. And that's the Combiner 5.
That's great, Jarrett. Yeah, so in terms of Enphase's new energy storage system, we have the IQ Battery 5P. We have, again, the IQ System Controller 3 and the IQ Combiner 5 or 5C for cellular. Tying this whole system together is a wired interconnect, which provides higher reliability, speed, and performance. Thanks for joining us.